Badum TV. Kasia Sofe Nyabrana and Semni Chimono Yam Fama Mo Commission. Ya one national electoral commission. So Mame Charlotte said ya tuja chimo se Supreme Court and electoral commission NHIS and some abe pio hono. Central for Yakahubi. Dia here pano. Enya no ene enam emonte so nsama hodo bi ne yeke kanti yemfa enhye won to so no Adom TV kase edeba.
One station started to report on the Supreme Court's orders for the EC to delete the names of NHIS card holders from the register. And they now reported to their listeners that their sources within the commission informed them that members of the commission were locked up in an emergency meeting to plan a response to the Supreme Court order. So it was after 5 p.m. when the offices of the commission were locked with everyone home. Other supposed experts came on radio to say the commission was busy destroying evidence of NHIS card registrations. The commission was busy manufacturing lists. Not a single person was asked to defend their claim or provide evidence of the veracity of those claims. And no one asked that if the commission is manufacturing lists or destroying evidence, aren't the sanctions that can be imposed by the Supreme Court for such behavior? Nobody checks, nobody asks any questions.
Yeguswa ya electoral commission won sama hudo mu nene won dia toja kire mu se November 7th abana ye beto no special voting ya mpempi no security agencies central for yeto ye dia nsana de chia ya kwakoto no ene central for ye dia hyemu mfie na etwa mu no ye ka bomu ya nye special voting ene dia Mame Charlotte side dia toja kire mu se journalist and central for ye beto ya ba stronko ansana na de chia omamu ni nyina ato to so na Adom TV edeba.
A few examples would help. The other day, one of the leading radio stations reported as their top story that the Electoral Commission had excluded journalists from the category of persons permitted to take part in special voting in this year's elections. No one checked. The draft law was available in Parliament. Nobody asked us for a copy of the draft law. And we got a few phone calls and we now sent copies of the draft law to the journalists who had requested it. And it now became obvious that the report was not accurate. Rather than retract the story properly, we decided to bury one sentence in another story, now saying that journalists were permitted to take part in special voting. Ladies and gentlemen, our view is that the media is allowing itself to be abused. The purpose of the media is to inform and to educate. Rather, the media is allowing people to use it for their own purposes, and the media is a partner in its own abuse. The long-term effects on the media itself and journalism as a profession will not be positive. If the public cannot believe in the accuracy of stories reported in the media, what then would be the value of the media?
Yanto so na the electoral commission one mo kroma nkasa nsam no fa no afa won mo eho electoral commission say won na dia pomdin si achi ba twe won din woyi afrum na so ne no let my vote count alliance Penny David Asante di won manim na central for din kobo waso o mayi ade na so ne no gidie pa no o kira Ghana fo ni e electoral commission mo sa afia bato no atentene ne pepe ye no kwaredie ebe ye adwuma nto so no Adom TV edeba
de echo
Electoral Commission, wako akopopa 56,000 names. I wanted the National Health Insurance card. Etro woni dino. Wako akopopa. Owie ye no ka kire Ghana for say. Ogidi pa say ebi ehye baabi. Tokrom baabi a wono e the National Health Insurance card etro ye. But onu easy no. Onim yen timamufo. Yen beboa no na won hwehwe. Ye boa no na ye point out sa edini wi a na wakwa ko delete na emum ne ye ba yemfa dasedie krata enta ye kire asembisa ne se ye kogina Supreme Court a ono EC edi edin ba ye no odi dasedie krata tare ye kire da bi form 1A a EC no e kire se okohwe emu eyi edin ne ba ye no ono ba court odi krata bra ye no na form 1A a e kire se edin kwaku manu nie na form 1A a otro ne din wo so nie enka ho eno obedi ntro kese pa kire Supreme Court ne Ghana fo nyina eno da so te atro ni mu eno de ye ko ne yoyoyo. The lies of the Electoral Commission no ya pa hontuma ba ko ya pa hontuma mienu ya pa hontuma miensa eti na de ye hia ye no Assembly poni say abato na edi yenimu no mumma Ghana fo nyina yembie yeni enko polling station ho de ebekoso wo ho
Tiafutuo no na obi amana ni na ho na bibia nkoso ye eguso aye wa amanyonsem mo twetwe ni pani edema All People's Congress APC amanyoko Razak Opoku esen sembia ne na mmonten se na NDC amanyoko na share APC amanyoko na chirimma wo musika amena be ya amanyoko no nokra bi anim APC amanyoko Hassan Yariga na kotse ye no no anso ne wo Frank Atuni no waboa no ho wo ni sika pa bi ya wode eboa ma amanyoko na koso nti sansam ne de Ghana 40 a yentwamo
Sebi, Dobeka Sebi, I don't know how form. Na ni name the politics so form because I don't think say sikeni okay Emma Uska se fa be cheno. And I say NDC for na sponsor any your Congress, your international conference center, first class place. NDC the Congress okuma so the delegates go awiem. Yen the delegates egu air condition. The NDC be maiska say yen fa kwatre air condition. No mo mebe so kwatre awiem ana. Ana ajo mama be me yen fa winning election on kwatre fiana. So clearly speaking yan se bi anim.
Ye wie kase no kra na ye de akọ aposia kache na nkramanta mi wo posia adwumako aguso ye nhwehwemo de afa mame na ye bọ no kwadu kire se woton nipa nam na wohwemu ana no adada braka sanye nipa bi ena ba mu ni posifo anko mba bro na kuno kra fratias fo asase so ni nyina ne so osofo bi ese mame nam so no awoton no eye nipa nam ta so no Adom TV kase e de eche.
The woman and the said substance also intercepted the woman arrested, and from police interrogation with the woman we were able to gather that that is from the woman. She was acting upon the spiritual directions of her spiritual pastor, and yesterday we were able to reach the husband who had come and had also told the police that yes, that was the wife, but he wasn't aware of that spiritual direction. So investigation is still ongoing. What we are left to find out now is the said meat, whether what people are alleging that indeed it was human flesh. We are yet to ascertain that, and we are working assiduously towards it to establish that aspect of the fact.
ASPF ya tenge no wonene nkramanta mi mo posi kasamafo ene yetene nkan ye gina no so na Adom TV anopai kase na ha na brema kwan ne de ni nyina ASPF ya mankwa tamaklo Kindove adaroma o design mesa no nti ye hia na ho so ya pempam bisa de ama onne Kofi Adom ahwanwani na ya brefo etoaso e de bedwam dwumadi no atoaso Reverend Anan wo takwa ye chiawo emu ache woni wobusua ida masema muniti a enyado